Hey, what's up, guys? It's Paul. I just wanted to shoot this video. I have no idea how long it's going to be, but I wanted to make kind of like a training on how to interpret your data inside the back of Facebook. So I've been seeing a lot of questions about it. I know I had questions about it in the beginning, and it's really fuzzy when you're starting out because you don't have data and you don't know what the heck all these numbers are that are coming in. But hopefully this will help with that. First off, if you're not using custom columns, I highly recommend doing that. You should be able to get some ideas of what to show from this video, hopefully. I'm not showing like my budget or amount spent because that's not really important. I mean, you want to get to like $10 to $15 before you know if an ad's working for the leads. Maybe for post engagements, it's a little less, maybe $5 you'll know because it's so much cheaper. But other than that, I'm not really going to go into that. I'm just going to go into what you really should be looking at in your ad or sales funnel versus what you're seeing in the back of your ads manager for statistics. So, first off, you have your reach and impressions. Your reach is the number of people that Facebook is showing your ad to, and your impressions include duplicates. So if it shows a higher number in impressions, you can see here there's one more impressions than reach here, so that means it's shown it to one person twice. And that's it. It's not like the most important statistic, so I wouldn't worry too much about this. I think usually you want to get some amount of impressions before you start increasing a budget. I think it's around 8,000, although it's been hard for me not to jump the gun a little bit with these numbers. Um, but then you can go over here to cost per 1,000 impressions, and you can see how much Facebook is charging you to reach your audience. And I think it has to do a lot with relevancy score. Uh, I don't know exactly because mine are all 10 and I don't have any others to compare it to. So let me know if you see in the comments, let me know if you see a correlation there. I do see a correlation though between my cost per click and my cost per 1,000 impressions, obviously, because if it's costing me $32 to reach 1,000 people versus $12, it's gonna cost me more to get one of them to click. So thanks a lot, Facebook. I'd really like a lower cost per 1,000 impressions. I think Facebook is the one that figures out how to get a lower cost per impression. But other than that, I don't know if Lannon and Stapes know a way to get your cost per impression lower. I think it also has to do with the quality of your ad or the quality that Facebook sees in your ad. I don't know why they don't just do cost per impression because you could really see how much they're basically charging you to put it in front of somebody. But you can get the statistic by dividing, or no, just move the decimal over 3 spots. So for this, if I move it 3 spots to the left here, it'd be 0.069, which is about 7 cents. Because it's really per 1,000 impressions, right? So you're moving the decimal over 3 places for the 3 zeros here. So this would be 3 cents per impression, 1.3 cents per impression, 5 cents per impression, and so on. Cost per click, all. That's how much it's costing me to get any kind of click on my ad, like comment, clicking my photo, link click. I don't know if highlighting something in the ad matters or counts as a click. I included unique clicks here too because this shows only unique people clicking my ad, not the same person clicking twice, which would be like over here. It's lower because somebody probably liked it and commented or something, or click the link and like my page or whatever it could be. Oops. And then cost per unique link click. These two are almost the same, but this is like the clicks all I've shown over here, where just link click is going to show you duplicate clicks. So it's going to be a little bit lower than your unique link click. Like maybe somebody clicked your link and it didn't load the first time, so they clicked it again. Don't know, but you can show both if it helps you. You should be fine just showing one of them. I just wanted to be thorough and show you the difference between what that means, what the unique means. And then cost per landing page view. This is actually the cost of people to actually load your landing page, which should be higher than your cost per link click. Facebook should be optimizing this drop off. It should be looking for people who are willing to load your landing page or are clicking because they're interested or whatever the reason they're not making it all the way to your landing page. But this gap should be optimized by Facebook. So what I like to do when I have all these numbers in front of me is look for the drop offs. Look for where you're losing people. So I have 9 cents per unique click all. So it's only costing me 9 cents to get someone's attention, but it looks like only about a tenth of those people are actually clicking the link at the end of the ad. Actually, if I go to unique, it's more. It's less. It's 1/12 of people. So I want to improve that number, so I think I'm going to look at my ad copy because I'm getting their attention with my photo and my headline, but I want to get more people slipping through my ad copy and clicking the link at the end. So I'm going to be split testing ad copy coming up for sure. And then your link clicks versus your landing page views. This drop off should be covered by Facebook because Facebook is supposed to optimize for people that will make it to your landing page, not intentionally show it to people who are not going to let it load or click it by accident. I mean, there's no way to be perfect, right? Because it's just code. Someone tried to write an algorithm that predicts whether somebody's going to click your link on accident or not. That's very hard to do, I assume. Actually, I've done coding. I know it's hard. And then your landing page views versus your website leads over here. This can be a drop off. I should have a higher number here than here, but this ad is utilizing a chatbot link and a landing page view or a landing page link. So some people are going to my chatbot and then going to my webinar and skipping the landing page altogether. So that's why this number is lower than this number, yet it's higher than this number. So I shouldn't even be paying attention to this number if I'm really looking at my clicks to lead ratio. Cost per content view. I think that has to do with your webinar registration. I think it's the page they view after opting into the webinar. So there's a drop off too. Again, that can be remedied by a video in your thank you page, however you want to bridge them. Devin made a great video I think he posted it in the elites and in the AWOL affiliate group on how to make a ClickMagick tracking link actually track your pixel and skip the thank you page altogether. Just go straight to the webinar registration. Highly recommend it. It converts well. So I recommend trying that out. And then I will just move on here to the percentage statistics. These statistics are basically the exact same thing as these statistics over here. It's just shown a different way. So it's shown as how much you're paying rather than the percentage of people that are seeing your ad versus actually clicking on it. You can show it this way if that helps you more. If it helps you visualize the numbers better, definitely do that. The only thing is they don't show like a opt-in CTR percentage, but I do have a way that you can calculate that if you want to. I'll put the equation somewhere on the screen somewhere. On landing lead pages, they should be showing you a percentage there, but that's relative to number of page views. If you want it relative to Facebook, like for these numbers to because you're looking for drop-offs. Take your CTR all percentage. That would be this percentage. Then you're going to divide it. I don't have it showing actually. I would be showing clicks all. So that'd be in customize columns. You can add any of these by hitting a checkbox. You can move it around. And then if you hit save as preset here, you can name it anything you want and save it as a new preset, but I'm not going to do that. There's clicks all here. So you're just going to show that. Take your CTR percentage all. Where was it again? This is the beginning of the equation. You take your CTR percentage all. I'm going to post this on the screen somewhere. CTR percentage all, divide it by your number of clicks all, then multiply it by your number of opt-ins. That will give you your percentage for your, I don't know, it's like your opt-in CTR, whatever it would say up there. And that should give you a pretty extensive look on what is working in your funnel and what's not. Again, like if you're getting good CTR all, that means you're getting their attention at the beginning. People are clicking see more, they're looking at your photo, they're liking it. But if your link CTR is super low, like this is 1 in 10 people are clicking the link at the end of this one versus clicking the ad. I'm okay with that, but I want it higher. That means that I can improve my copy somewhere. I can maybe put more of me into it and make it more personable. Maybe there's somewhere in there that I'm using more markety language because I'm still kind of new, and I could go in and change that and just make it more of like a me story, like I wrote it for social media rather than to sell AWOL, which it's hard to not be happy about. What are these sounds? All right. Sorry about that. I had to cut some parts out of the video just because my wife is talking on the phone and it's a little distracting. I didn't want a bunch of background noise in the video. But yeah, that should cover it for your percentages and really what to look for. I mean, honestly, I just set up my custom columns so that I can see like kind of a progression of where people are getting through my funnel and what places I need to improve the most. Like kind of like Chris and Landon say. Sorry, that was a lead. Kind of like how Chris and Landon say, major on the majors. So look for the hugest price increases here. If you're showing like, you can take a screenshot of this and just show all these on your ads and make a custom columns. You can really see like where they're stopping. Like I'm getting a low CTR all, but not a low link click like this one. I'm definitely going to be split testing this one. Something is losing them here because look at this. This is 1 in 7 people. This is 1 in, I don't know, 24 people or something. So look for those. Just look for where you're losing them. Split test those ideas, nothing else, and make a killing out there. I hope you all learned something from this video, and please let me know if I missed any statistics that you want me to cover. Just drop it in the comments and maybe I'll make another video. And also, I have seen questions about integrating the pixel into the back of AWOL, so I'm willing to do a video for you all on that if you want that as well. But that's it for this. I hope you got something valuable out of it, and I will see you all later. Peace.